Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of chess, there lived a brave little knight. He wasn't the biggest or the strongest, but he had a huge heart and dreamed of one day protecting the king. As he looked around the grand chessboard, he saw the other pieces standing tall and proud. There were the mighty rooks who could charge in straight lines across the entire board. There were the swift bishops, gliding gracefully from corner to corner on their diagonal paths. The knight, however, couldn't move like them. He was different, but he knew his uniqueness was his greatest strength. He had his very own special way of moving. So, how does our little hero travel? The knight moves in a special L shape. He gallops 2 squares in one direction forward, backward, left, or right, and then takes 1 single step to the side. 1, 2, and turn. What's more, he's the only piece in the entire kingdom that can leap over others, hopping right over his friends and foes. He can jump into action when no one else can. One fateful day, during a great and epic battle, a dark shadow fell across the board. The enemy queen, powerful and menacing, was closing in on the king. The king was trapped, and all the other pieces were blocked, unable to rush to his side. It seemed like all was lost, except for our little knight. He saw a path that no one else could see. With a heart full of courage and a mind sharp with strategy, the little knight took a mighty leap. He sailed over the crowded battlefield, jumping over the pieces that stood in his way. With a heroic bound, he landed right in front of the king, bravely blocking the queen's path and saving the day. The kingdom was safe, all thanks to the clever little knight. From that day forward, everyone in the kingdom of chess remembered the lesson our hero taught them. Even the smallest piece can make the biggest difference. It doesn't matter if you're not the biggest or the fastest. As long as you know your unique moves and believe in yourself, you can be a hero too. Bravery and clever thinking are what truly matter most. Thank you for joining the little knight's quest. We hope you had fun learning about his special L-shaped move. For more stories from the kingdom of chess, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep learning, playing, and imagining.